Now he is not been used for riding so far, neither he has been used for breeding. He is just 36 months. Our idea of using animal will not be more than 4.5. After 4.5 years is when we ideally think that the stallion should be used for breeding and even for riding, because it's very important the animal should grow naturally. So if you start mounting on it and if you start riding in this age, then it does affect its growth.
ஸோ அபிஜித் சார் சொன்ன போல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க ஒரு குதிரையை வந்து 4.5 years வரைக்கும் வந்து அவங்க வந்து முக்கியமாக வந்து ரொம்ப பாதுகாக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ 4.5 yearsக்கு மேலே தான் வந்து ப்ரீடிங் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. எதனாலனா குதிரையோட க்ரோத் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அவங்க அக்கறை கட்டுறாங்க. குதிரை சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து ஒரு 4.5 years வரைக்கும் நல்லா க்ரோத் ஆகணும். அது க்ரோத் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் தான் வந்து அவங்க வந்து ப்ரீடிங் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் சரி ரைடிங் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் சரி ப்ராப்பராக யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ இவங்க க்ரோத் ஃபேக்டர் ரொம்ப முக்கியமாக பார்க்குறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த 4.5 years வரைக்கும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா அவங்க வந்து அதுக்கு தேவையான மொத்த நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் விட்டமின்ஸ் கரெக்டாக ப்ராப்பர் டைமில் ப்ராப்பராக கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதே போல் வந்து அவங்க வந்து நாட்டு பசும் பாலில் வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமாக கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஒரு நாளைக்கு 6 லிட்டர்ன்ற பாலை வந்து அவங்க கரெக்டாக கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஸோ இது மூலமாக வந்து க்ரோத்து ப்ராப்பராக இருக்குது. குதிரையோட கலர் வந்து ரொம்ப ஷைனிங்காக இருக்குது. ஸோ இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்கறதுனால தான் வந்து இந்த நார்த் இந்தியாவில் இருக்க குதிரைகள்லாம் பார்த்து ரொம்ப அற்புதமாக வந்து ஷைனிங்காகவும் இருக்குது, ரொம்ப ஹெல்த்தியாகவும் இருக்குது. ஸோ இது ரொம்ப வந்து முக்கியமாக அவங்க வந்து ரொம்ப கேர் பண்ணுறாங்க.
My name is Amit Vikram and I come from a small village in the district of Pali, western Rajasthan. And as far as Pushkar goes, it is one of the best platforms for people from out of state to come and learn about Marwadi, because you get best of Marwadis here in Pushkar. And it's an old traditional fair happening from generations. Marwadi originated from the western part of Rajasthan. That's the place from it originated, and slowly then it's all over Rajasthan, and now people are buying in other states also and taking them away in the other states also. It's a very good endurance horse, Marwadi is. It's won a lot of races, about 100 kilometers in last 7-8 nationals. If you look at them, they've beaten thoroughbreds and half-breds in the long races. So Marwadi is good for endurance, good for riding. It is a very honest horse to the owner, and I mean, if you come to Pushkar, you meet one of the best breeders of India who come here. Most of them are from Rajasthan. So people from all over Rajasthan come here, and they are breeders who've been keeping these horses for generations. A lot of people think a Marwadi is with years like this, but it is not so. A lot of other characters which a Marwadi has. So one who wants to learn about a Marwadi, they should come to places like Pushkar, places like Balotra, or even for that matter the fair that happens in February in Jodhpur is one of the best of Marwadis. You can see all over the country the top horses come there and participate, and you get to learn a lot here in Pushkar, because people not only from Rajasthan, people from Punjab, Gujarat, all the people who are keeping Marwadi from a long time come to this fair. So you get to meet all the breeders, all the people who've been keeping horses for a long time. So I think Pushkar is a good experience for people from south of India who want to learn more about what a true Marwadi is. They should come down to Pushkar. And language, as you said, it's not a barrier here. Most of the people speak English, speak Hindi, and they can communicate easily. So they should come down to Pushkar, spend 4-5 good days, and they would get to know what a good Marwadi is. Because I have seen a lot of people taking horses to south of India, and they don't even have a clue what a Marwadi should be. So it's a good exposure for anybody who wants to keep Marwadi, own Marwadis. Come to Pushkar, spend some time here. You get to meet so many people, get to see so many horses from all parts of the country, and especially from Rajasthan where it originated. And this is the place where it thrives. The desert part of Rajasthan where it thrives, Pushkar and westwards. If you go more eastwards, then it is not the same. So places like Pushkar and Balotra are home of Marwadi. Here you come, you see thousands of horses. So you get to know all different kind of characteristics. Every horse carries a different characteristics. So you know what a true Marwadi characteristic is once you hear in Pushkar. The different gauges that a Marwadi can be ridden in, and in this sandy soil that gauge comes out very well. So these are some of the things people can learn here, and you get time to spend with all the people the farmers who breed horses from generations, the landlords who breed horses from generations, and all the other people. So it's a very good platform for people to come and learn, buy Marwadi, sell Marwadi, or for that matter learn about Marwadi. So I've been coming to Pushkar for last 15 odd years.
Okay, when I'm asking about food for horses and cattle,
Yeah.
so comparatively with southern part of India, northern part of India breeds are very healthy and very strong enough to hold anything. So like what is the food culture which you are maintaining for horses in northern part of India?
See, we concentrate a lot on what kind of hay or grasses the horses will have, and till now fortunately we have enough large pastures and big farms where people can grow these natural grasses and cut them, harvest them and use them for the horses round the year. These are the old methods which we use, but now recently people use lucerne also. The what you have, the peanut ka jo lucerne hota hai, that is very good, people are using it. But a good hay is any good grass, like in Rajasthan, in these parts we have grasses called dhaman and kald and sevan. These are the grasses which are very nutritious and with very little grain that we use. We concentrate more on good quality of fodder.
Okay.
So
How it is so shiny?
see, as I told you, the place where we are in, it's much warmer. The terrain that we are in helps it a lot in that coat that you're talking about, that sheen that you talk about. When it goes to the more moist and wet places like south of India, then it will lose its sheen and the shine that you get in north of India, or especially in Rajasthan, because with the temperature is such that it suits him. It can bear a temperature up to 50 degrees and even bear temperatures up to 0, -1, -2 degrees. But they thrive in hot temperatures. Other horses would not thrive in a 40 degree, 45 degree temperature, riding them 25, 30 kilometers. Most of them will not be able to do it, but they will do it day in, day out, because they're used to, they've been doing it for generations. And heat is not an issue for them. They've been living in this harsh climatic condition for generations, so they're used to this heat. If it is too cold, they would not like it, or if it's too wet, they would not like it. They like dry, warm temperatures. So that's one of the reasons why when you come to Rajasthan, you find the sheen of the horses is very good. The skin coat is very fine. So that it's got a lot to do with, other than the feed, lot to do with the area that they're in.
இங்கே என்ன இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னா ஃபுட்டு மேலே ரொம்ப கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு ஃபுட்டும் பார்த்து கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதே போல் அவங்க பார்த்துக்கிற விதமும் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது இந்த இடத்துல. ஸோ நார்த்தன் பார்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வார்மாக இருக்கிறதுனால அவங்க எல்லாருக்குமே அந்த குதிரைக்கு ஏற்ற டெம்பரேச்சர் கரெக்டாக கிடைக்குது. அதே போல் குதிரைக்கான அந்த கரெக்டான சூழ்நிலை அமைகிறதுனால அந்த குதிரைக்கு ஒரு அற்புதமான ஒரு வளர்ச்சி, அற்புதமான ஹெல்த்தியஸ்ட் நியூட்ரிஷன் கிடைக்கிறதுனால அற்புதமான வளர்ச்சி கிடைக்குது. ஸோ இதே போல் பல விஷயங்கள் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் இந்த சீரியஸில். ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு விஷயமும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா இந்த புஷ்கரை பற்றியோ இந்த குதிரை பற்றியும் அற்புதமாக இருக்குது இதில். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக இந்த வீடியோ எல்லாருக்கும் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நம்புகிறோம்.